Hi everyone, today we're checking out the GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline, perfect for indoor and outdoor use. This heavy-duty clothes drying line extends up to 14.1 feet, ideal for towels, linens, and delicate fabrics. It installs easily with all hardware included, making it great for laundry rooms, balconies, or RVs. The stainless steel housing offers a modern look that fits any decor while saving space with its one-touch retractable design. Air drying your clothes helps save money on energy bills and protects your fabrics. When not in use, the line retracts instantly for a clean, minimalist appearance. It's a smart, convenient solution to keep small spaces tidy and clothes fresh. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.